Does chewing gum help you lose weight? There was a recent systematic review published in Nutrients that included 8 small randomized controlled trials. There was a trend toward decreased energy intake in people who chewed gum, but weight loss was either not measured or not demonstrated if measured. Guys, my BS-o-meter is going off so loud in my head right now because this is ridiculous. Chewing gum is sweet, and chewing sweet things tells your body it's about to get sugar. The body cannot be fooled by this behavior long term, which is synonymous to drinking diet sodas. There are 0 health optimized individuals in the universe who chew gum. If you retrain your palate away from sweet preferences though, you have found the holy grail of long-term weight loss success.